So here is what we're using tonight. It's the Vicks warm humidifier, and I have it actually on my bathroom toilet. I brought my dog Dexter, who has kennel cough, also known as infective tracheobronchitis. Yes, close up, into the room, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's filling with steam. This is coming out. I thought that it would be, there, it's fogging up the screen, so there you go. It's coming out. Thought it would be a really good idea to have Dexter's lungs kind of be affected by the steam. He would breathe this in. Hopefully it could open him up a little. And I moved some things around for him. We're going to play with his toys while we're in here. And just take a steamer. So if your dog is affected by kennel cough and you're positive that's what it is, this is a nice comforting way to help them get through it. Yay! Santa! Oh,